Now, sometimes what you want to do with log expressions is you want to change the base. So in this video, I wanted to talk about changing the base from a base, let's say A, and then changing that to a base with a base of B. So how can we do that? Well, to change the base of the logarithm, we have to look at the change of base formula. And that formula states if you have, let's say, log base B of x, that's going to be equal to log base A over log base A. So these two bases are going to be the same, but we're going to take the x and put it in the numerator in that parentheses, and we're going to take the old base B and we're going to put it in this set of parentheses in the denominator. And this is called the change of base formula. So if I start off with a base of A, then I can change it to an expression with a base of B. So I wanted to try this first problem. I wanted to go from base 2, and I wanted to take that expression with a new base, a base of 3. So my old base was 2, that's going to be in the fraction, and my new base is 3. So I'm going to put that right here. So let's say we have an expression log base 3 of x. We would take our old base and we would use that in the numerator and the denominator. Okay, so what's going to go inside here? The x is going to go inside there on the top. And then on the bottom, what's going to go inside this parentheses? It's going to be the 3, the new base. And then I would calculate whatever that would be. Now, the bottom is actually going to be a number. This is actually going to be a number. And it will be whatever log base 2 of 3 is. That'll just be a number. But on the top, we have a logarithmic expression with a variable of x. So we need to keep that as an expression. All right. The next one is I wanted to change base from E to 10. So I want to change my base from base E to base 10. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my new base and I'm going to let that be the base of my new logarithm. I'll be taking log base 10 of x. And then I'm going to take my old base and put it in the numerator and the denominator. So I'm going to have log base E on top as well as on the bottom. And then I'm going to have my two parentheses. All right, so in the top, what's going to go inside the parentheses right here? It's going to be the x. So I put the x on the inside, and I put the 10, which is my old base, or my new base, sorry, I put that inside the parentheses. Now, when we're dealing with base E, we can typically write that as log base E, which is the same thing as the natural log. So a natural logarithm is always going to have a base of E. And here, since we're converting from base E all the way to base 10, we can change log E into natural log. So I'm going to replace log base E with the natural log. So I get the natural log of x on top, and I get the natural log of 10 on the bottom, whatever number that may be. So that's the change of base formula, and I hope that helps.